Welcome back again. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest reasons that YouTubers suddenly lose subscribers, mainly focusing on the content-related issues. Even if your thumbnails are good, or even if you upload consistently, the wrong content choice can push your subscribers away silently. So let's break down the hidden mistakes that make subscribers leave without saying any word, and how you can fix each one. First, let's talk about inconsistent content style. This happens when your channel keeps switching between topics, themes, and editing styles. One week, your video may be a vlog. The next week, your video may be tech review. And then suddenly, about motivational talk. Remember, people subscribe because they want more of what they already enjoyed from your channel. When you change directions too much, viewers don't know what to expect from your channel. So they stop clicking on your video and eventually unsubscribe from your channel. This is the biggest problem. The fix is simple. Pick a single niche, stick on it, and make every video feel familiar to your subscribers. Another major problem is low quality upload. Even if your topic is great, viewers will not stay if your audio is noisy, if the video is blurry, or if the editing is too slow or too messy. Viewers today expect clear sounds, clear visuals, and fast delivery. If your video quality feels outdated or unpolished, subscribers will lose trust and look for another similar creator. To solve this problem, improve your lightings, upgrade your microphone if possible, and keep your editings sharp and clean. Repetitive or reused content also drives your subscribers away from your channel. People don't want to watch the same information again and again. If your content looks like a re-upload, or if your video ideas repeat too much, subscribers feel like they are wasting their time in your channel. Even small changes or new formats can refresh your topics and your subscribers also. Always add something new, that is, new examples, new angles, or new visuals, so your audiences feel like they are learning something fresh from your channel. Clickbait disappointments and misleading titles or thumbnails are also subscriber killers in your channel. When you promise something big in the title and in your thumbnails, but deliver something different in your video, viewers feel they are trickled. They may click once, but they won't click again, and many will unsubscribe immediately from your channel. A strong title should be attractive, but it must be honest. So you are expected to use curiosity, not lies, and deliver exactly what your thumbnail promises. Another overlooked issue is upload frequency, either too much or too little video uploads. Uploading too frequently overwhelms your subscribers. Their notification will fill up, and they feel pressured to skip your videos. So they will be obliged to unsubscribe from your channel. On the other hand, uploading too rarely makes them forget why they subscribed from your channel. You need a balanced schedule. Hence, you are expected to have a balanced schedule that is predictable and easy for your viewers to subscribe your channel and follow your upload. Even one high quality video per week can grow a channel if it is consistent. So what is the solution to subscriber loss caused by the content issues? Here are the most important ones. One is stay consistent with your niche and stick on it. And then maintain strong audio and video quality. Third, avoid reused or repetitive content in your channel. And be honest with your titles and thumbnails. And then upload at a rhythm that your audiences can handle your videos. When you take control of content choices, you protect your subscriber base, and your channel starts to grow naturally again. These mistakes are the main silent reasons that subscribers disappear from your channel and unsubscribe. But once you fix them, your retention and growth improves naturally. Yes, if this video helped you, please don't forget to like that video, drop a comment below this video, and keep learning with me in the next tutorial. Have a nice time and see you next.